This short video will guide you through the installation and use of Collaborate. Please log in to Moodle at this time. If you have never logged in before, please see the first time user login setup video prior to proceeding. From your Moodle dashboard page, locate the course that will be presented using Collaborate and click to open. Next, scroll to the Collaborate link and click to open. Next, click on Join Session. If you receive a message, "Your connection is not private," click on Advanced and then click on the link to proceed. Do not click on the meeting.collab file just yet. You must install the launcher first. Click on Download the Blackboard Collaborate Launcher. Next, choose Windows or Mac from the menu and click Download. Once the installation file has downloaded, click on the up arrow and choose Show in Folder. Click the Blackboard Collaborate Launcher WIN file to begin the installation. Next, follow the prompts to complete the installation and click Finish when done. Now let's return to the meeting.collab file. From now on, you only need to click on the meeting.collab file for each session you want to join. Click the file to launch the Collaborate session. Please be patient while the application launches. Click Run. Click Accept. Next, choose Wireless 300 kilobytes per second and click OK. You have now successfully joined the Collaborate session. Remember to always X out of the session when you are done.